Supreme Peace. Bapuji says, be lighthouses and lighthouses, spreading your light across the world. This light will bring about the world transformation. Practice with determination and make constant effort. Do not get distracted. Continue making effort with determination. Then Father will become the boatman of your boat. When God Himself is the boatman, it is impossible for the boat not to reach its destination ahead of time. Therefore, move forward towards your goal with faith, intoxication, and carefree attitude. Check your own effort. Those who are intense effort makers, meaning those who pay 100% attention to their mind, intellect, and attributes, or who are solely focused on self-transformation, Father is 100% responsible for them, and such souls should be worry-free. Do not think that old habits are still emerging, or that transformation is not happening. The transformation of those souls who are making intense effort will happen both in subtle and physical forms. Therefore, continue making consistent efforts. Those souls who are making efforts to their best abilities and still are caught up in some questions like what, why, how, and when, still have time to improve themselves. Father has explained previously that different test papers are coming to every soul, but 100% surrendered souls and intense effort makers are engaged in self-transformation without any worry. However, some souls influenced by their attributes are wasting their time. Father is giving personal sustenance to select a few among the millions. Understanding the importance of time, make your time worthwhile. Otherwise, at the end, there will be immense regret. You are responsible for your own fortune. So examine yourself whether you want to be number one or number wise. Father will support those souls who start making intense efforts from today. Supreme Peace.